Welcome to Online Tech University YouTube channel. Now let us talk about how to convert website as an iPhone or iPad app. In this video, we will cover converting website as an iPhone or iPad app, demo of loading a website into iPhone as an iPhone, demo of loading a website into iPad after the conversion, code walkthrough of converting website into iPhone iPad app. Now let me go to Xcode where I have already completed the code. So these are the line of code needed for converting the website into iPhone or iPad app. In this app example, I am launching the Twitter app. Okay. So let me select the what device I want to launch. I want to launch the Twitter in my iPhone as an app using my own code. I want to convert the twitter.com into my as an app into iPhone. Let me launch it. So its build is succeeded. So it is launched. Our application is loading. It will launch the Twitter app. So it is getting loaded. Let's give a minute to load. Yes, if you see that it is loaded twitter.com and as already logged in, it goes to the Twitter directly. Now you can perform anything there. So let me go there, go to the home screen. So this application project name is Project 3. So if you see here, it's running a Project 3 in iPhone 11 Pro Max, right? So this is the project. You can launch this. So this is our app developed. Now let's see how to launch the same Twitter into iPad quickly. For that, in the simulator and select the device what you want to launch. Let's select the iPad Pro 12.9-inch third generation. Now execute. It will launch iPad app, Twitter's iPad app. Okay. So I click inside, then let me go here. Let me hide everything and bring the minimize all and bring the only iPad Pro Max. Okay. So minimize all, bring iPad Pro. Right. So still my application is loading. Yes, we are running from the code. Now the application loaded successfully. So this is how it's loading. For example, I want to change the another application like Google. I want to load Google from my code. Just change the URL and stop and start. Now the same application is launched with the Google URL. We can enhance the site to accept the URL dynamically. That we may see in the next video. But let's see that how Google is loading in the iPad. Right. So this project name also same project, right? That's Project 3 only. So this is iPad. The Google is loaded. I can do whatever we can do in the Google website. So let's confirm it is our website, our app or not. For that, let's go to the home screen. Okay. Let's go to the home screen. Okay, let me end this. Okay, now we are on the home screen and we have Project 3. Right? So this is our app, but its loading is it will launch the google.com. Okay. So this is how this is a very easy to convert any website into iPad app or iPhone app. Now let me go walk through the code. Right, let me walk through the code. So in this code we are writing the code using Swift UI. So we have to import WebKit. The WebKit because we are using the control called WKWebView. So for the WKWebView, we need to use import WebKit. Right? So you need to show the web view. So you cannot show the web view directly. So further you have to create the structure, and it should implement the UI view representable, right? And you are creating the variable like request URL. The type of the variable is URL request, and implementing the function make UI view. So you make it simple like context, and it returns the WebKit WebView, and whenever there is a change in the web URL, we got to update the view. So for that, implement the update UI view, and it's just loading the URL, right? So this is just loading the URL. This UI view is the variable of WebKit, and it loads the URL. So we are using the web view to load or convert the website into iPhone or iPad app. So this is how you will be able to convert website as an iPhone or iPad app. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask in the comments and share with your friends and like it. Thank you.